I end up having an extra bay of 2,000 square feet because I stopped growing hydroponics last year, and we're putting in a 10,000 gallon, imperial gallon tank in the greenhouse that will be used for a heat sink, as well as rainwater catchment, as well as a bit of a swimming pool for me, a lap pool. I don't want to treat it, so it'll be covered all the time, except when I'm using it, with opaque covering to keep the sunlight out. So the pool is made with a 2x4, I think it's called QAC, it's the less toxic treated wood. That's the frame. And then in the bottom there is bracing between the walls, and unfortunately 4 feet down is exactly where the water table is, so we've had a bit of water in there. But the sand, once it's up to the level that we want it, is holding the water okay. It's not coming above that. So we're just, the first layer is, we got roofing material, because galvanized, because we didn't want to deal with treated plywood, and then run a little skirt around there, and then painted plywood, which is actually mostly above grade. That will be, we'll have a hyper adobe wall around the whole outside of the pool. The top will have to, we still have to create a place for the vinyl liner to lap over, and then put a rigid, probably a 2x8 plank top to hold everything tight. So we did the excavation really pretty close to the size of the tank, so that we wouldn't have much water, and we're lucky that it's almost all clay. At the ends we ran into a rock, so we had to actually chip away a bit of it and actually dig out the other end, 40 feet. So finally get this plywood on here, and then figure out how we're going to brace the top with, there'll be a 2x6 skirting around the whole thing. And excited to see how it goes. I got a 40 mil poly liner for this, a white potable water liner that can take very high temperatures, not boiling of course, but pretty high, because this will be, there'll be an evacuated tube solar system that's heating this tank, and it'll be part of the hydronic, it'll be hooked into the hydronic system, so that we can store heat in the winter time and augment the wood gas fire furnace. And there's Dina. She's doing it. Awesome work. Thanks.